this wondrous moment, just me and you. Rain on the green grass, fresh and bright, dancing on leaves, a beautiful sight. Rain on the tree, swaying with glee, whispers of nature wild and free. Rain on the roof, a soothing sound, a lullaby drops all around. Puddles form laughter, splashes and cheer. In this cozy world, there's nothing to fear. So let it rain, let the rivers flow, nature's sweet gift, a vibrant show. Each gentle drop, life starts anew. In this wondrous moment, just me and you.